Torrential slide value equivalent to $10.7200 a coin. The present reach, $10.5600. $10.8900. The earlier day close, $10.8100. The change was 0.0900. 0.83%. Backwards rate. United States dollars to Avax. Torrential slide value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027 Avalanche cost forecast for August 2023. To start with, cost at $12.81. Greatest cost $12.89. Least cost $8.61. The normal for the month $10.89. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $9.26. Change for August 27.7%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for September 2023. First and foremost, cost at $9.26. Greatest cost $10.09. Least cost $7.37. The normal for the month $8.66. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $7.93. Change for September 14.4%. Torrential slide cost expectation for October 2023. In the first place, cost at $7.93. Most extreme cost $8.35. Least cost $7.25. The normal for the month $7.83. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $7.80. Change for October 1.6%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for November 2023. Initially cost at $7.80. Most extreme cost $7.80. Least cost $6.70. The normal for the month $7.38. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $7.20. Change for November 7.7%. Torrential slide cost expectation for December 2023. At the outset, cost at $7.20. Most extreme cost $7.20. Least cost $5.63. The normal for the month $6.52. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $6.05. Change for December 16.0%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for January 2024. Before all else, cost at $6.05. Most extreme cost $6.25. Least cost $5.43. The normal for the month $5.89. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $5.84. Change for January 3.5%. Torrential slide cost expectation for February 2024. Initially cost at $5.84. Most extreme cost $6.49. Least cost $5.65. The normal for the month $6.01. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $6.07. Change for February 3.9%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2024. In the first place, cost at $6.07. Greatest cost $6.07. Least cost $4.89. The normal for the month $5.57. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $5.26. Change for spring 13.3%. Torrential slide cost expectation for April 2024. Before all else, cost at $5.26. Most extreme cost $6.53. Least cost $5.26. The normal for the month $5.79. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $6.10. Change for April 16.0%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for May 2024. At the outset, cost at $6.10. Most extreme cost $6.10. Least cost $4.76. The normal for the month $5.52. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $5.12. Change for May 16.1%. Torrential slide cost expectation for June 2024. First and foremost, cost at $5.12. Greatest cost $5.12. Least cost $4. The normal for the month $4.64. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $4.30. Change for June 16.0%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for July 2024. In the first place, cost at $4.30. Greatest cost $5.16. Least cost $4.30. The normal for the month $4.65. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $4.82. Change for July 12.1%. Torrential slide cost expectation for August 2024. Before all else cost at $4.82. Most extreme cost $4.82. Least cost $4.03. The normal for the month $4.50. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $4.33. Change for August 10.2%. United States dollars to Avax conversion standard equivalent to 0.0933 torrential slides per $1. The present reach 0.0918, 0.0947. The earlier days nearby 0.0925. Change for now plus 0.0008. Plus 0.86%. United States dollars to Avax expectations for August 2023. First and foremost cost at 0.078 torrential slides. Greatest cost 0.116. Least 0.078. The normal for the month 0.095. The United States dollars to Avax gauge toward the month's end 0.108. Change for August 38.5%. Dollar to torrential slide estimate for September 2023. Initially cost at 0.108 torrential slides. Most extreme cost 0.136. Least 0.099. The normal for the month 0.117. The United States dollars to Avax gauge toward the month's end 0.126. Change for September 16.7%. United States dollars to Avax expectations for October 2023. Before all else cost at 0.126 torrential slides. Most extreme cost 0.138. Least 0.120. The normal for the month 0.128. The United States dollars to Avax estimate toward the month's end 0.128. Change for October 1.6%. Dollar to torrential slide estimate for November 2023. At the outset cost at 0.128 torrential slides. Greatest cost 0.149. Least 0.128. The normal for the month 0.136. The United States dollars to Avax figure toward the month's end 0.139. Change for November 8.6%. United States dollars to Avax expectations for December 2023. Before all else cost at 0.139 torrential slides. Most extreme cost 0.178. Least 0.139. The normal for the month 0.155. The United States dollars to Avax figure toward the month's end 0.165. Change for December 18.7%. Dollar to torrential slide figure for January 2024. At the outset cost at 0.165 torrential slides. Most extreme cost 0.184. Least 0.160. The normal for the month 0.170. The United States dollars to Avax figure toward the month's end 0.171. Change for January